What's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper, and welcome to episode 7 of how to turn $20 into $1,000 flipping smartphones. So if you haven't watched any of these videos in the series, or if you're unfamiliar with this series, basically I take $20 and I buy and resell smartphones to eventually have $1,000 in capital. Basically showing you guys that it is possible to start this business with $20. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you do like the video, please drop a like. This particular episode is pretty epic as far as the phone that I pick up and the profit margin that I pick the phone up. So those are pretty epic, and this is going to give us a huge boost in our capital. So I'm going to go over basically the numbers right now, let you guys know what phone I did pick up and all that. So let's get into it. So at the end of episode 6, we left off with $519.31, which is not bad. We profited, I believe, around $75 to $80 on that last pickup, which was a Note 8. Now, I ended up picking up a phone that I mentioned to you guys in a previous video, but that is an iPhone 7 Plus. This iPhone 7 Plus is in good condition, no cracks. It's 128 gigabytes and it's Verizon unlocked. So it's a great looking phone. If I can rate the condition, it's about 9 out of 10 condition, which is pretty good, pretty good. So we ended up picking up this phone, and this is a marketplace pickup. This was not a someone replying to my ad and wanting to sell their phone. I actually found this phone on marketplace, and the woman who was selling it mislabeled the phone. She thought it was an iPhone 7. She had it for $250, and I saw the dual camera and realized this is an iPhone 7 Plus. So I offered her $200 for it. I can pick it up today. She agreed, and I picked the phone up for $200. So after the investment, we had $319.31 left off. So we probably could have picked up another phone as well, but we didn't. So this is the phone we're going with. And I ended up selling this phone on Swappa. So this was not an eBay sale this time. This was a Swappa sale. And I just did that because the 7 Plus is a good phone to sell. It's a good phone to buy and resell. They're still doing well in the market. They're selling fairly quickly on the market. And if you got to unlock one, you can easily get 450 locally, maybe 500 if you're pushing it. And they just sell well. So I knew that, decided it was in our best interest to list it on Swappa due to the fees, due to the minimal fees compared to eBay, and so we can maximize those profits and raise that capital pretty much to almost $1,000. So again, after the $200 investment, we had $319.31. I ended up listing this on Swappa for $495, and it took about 2 days to sell. So maybe a little over 2 days to finally sell, but it did for $495. Now, again, this is not the amount that we pocket, because Swappa does have its fees. They're not as much as eBay, but they do have to make their money as well, and I do have to pay for shipping fees. So after it's all said and done, we are left with $458.68. Now that is still great as far as profit, as far as the initial investment and the return on investment. That's great. So we profited $258.68 on this one phone right here, and that shot up our capital a lot. So just want to go over this particular buy with you guys, let you guys know that there are deals out there regardless if you are listing your ads or just going out searching different platforms. You are going to find a deal. We did find a deal, and after it's all said and done, we're going to add that leftover cash, that $458.68, to the $319.31, and our ending balance to end this episode is $777.99. Now, in this next clip, I'm going to show you guys the actual phone on Swap App and showing you that it did sell for the amount of $495, and I'm going to break it down a little bit more for you guys there. So stay tuned for that clip. All right, so as you guys can see, I did sell the phone. It says sold right here. The iPhone 7 Plus, black, 128 gigabytes, good condition for $495. So I just want to kind of give you guys, proof that I did sell it. Um, and you guys can see the listing right there and my pictures I took. The phone's in good condition. I'm surprised it didn't sell for a little bit more than that. I had it for 505 from the start. Dropped it $5 each day, and at the 495 mark, it did end up selling. So that's good on our part. We are ending this episode with $777.99. Now, this is a good amount to work with. Hopefully, I'm really praying I can pick up an 8 Plus for Verizon. If I can pick up maybe two 8 Pluses for Verizon for, like 360 a piece, that would be pretty good. That would help us reach our $1,000 mark. But if I can, you pick up a couple smaller, different models, maybe a couple 6 Pluses, maybe a 6S Plus will work. Whatever the case may be, if I can pick up something to where, maybe we have two more phones to reach our $1,000 mark, that would be great. I was hoping to get all of this out. Um, in under 10 episodes. So if we can reach 1,000 in under 10 episodes, meaning that's 10 phones, then I believe that's going to work out great for us. So if you do like this video, if you do enjoy these series, please drop a like on the video, comment some other things you guys want to see me do on my channel. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next episode.